Welcome back to Dad's Garage. We've been going through a lot of the little upgrades we've done to this car, and most of them I'm just showing you befores and afters. But this one I want to go ahead and do a video on. I know there's other videos out there on YouTube about it, but a lot of people are buying Corvettes all of a sudden, it seems like. A lot of people are getting into them. I don't know if it's the enthusiasm of the C8 or what happened, but a lot of people are going buying Corvettes that never owned Corvettes before. So thought, well, what the heck, let's pop a video out on this. So somebody that buys a C6 might want to do this very simple and fairly inexpensive upgrade. So first of all, the lights can be purchased on Amazon for 70 bucks for all four. And what we're doing is these babies right here. We're gonna go with smoked LED, front and rear. So I'm going to show you how to get rid of those. So first thing you're going to need is a T15 Torx bit. And we're going to remove all these screws from this fender liner, the front side of the fender liner. And then you don't have to, but if you want to, you can remove this little clip, give you a little more space to work. And then this gives you lots of room to move in here. So once you get in here, you're just going to feed your arm back in here and just push, and it comes right out. On a car this old, it's very, very likely that you're going to break one of the clips off, if not both of them, but we're not worried about that anyway. Then we're going to take this, we're going to pull this out, pull out our old bulb, because we need this pigtail still. So then what we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're going to plug this right in where that little 194 bulb went. And that is plugged in. Then we're going to plug this back in. So first thing we want to do though is we want to go inside the car real quick and make sure that this works, because these do have to be the right polarity. So as we can see, it does light up, so we've got it the right direction. If you have it the wrong direction, we'll flip it here real quick. It's not supposed to work. Okay, interesting. Okay, so once we get to that point, let's get this film, let's leave it on there, keep it protected until we get it in place. We're just gonna take this baby, push it, snap it right into place, peel that off, and boy, she looked good. Now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go back through the process of putting those 5 or 6 screws back in and that little push pin. Front one is done, then we'll go to the back. Now that we're here at the back, we're gonna show you this back is even easier than the front. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna see that there is a T15 right up here as well. And we're gonna take that out. And that is going to allow this back light to come out. So then what you're going to do is you're just going to reach back in here and you're going to feel where this thing plugs in. You're just going to push out. There we go. If you can, I just found out that the front clip is actually easier if you just kind of push on it with your finger. Helps release it a lot easier. and then just pull back on the back clip. Just take your finger and pull this direction, and that pops this side out. And then you repeat that process that we just did on the front. Repeat that process. Plug that in and put this in and twist. And then we're just going to set it here for just a second. We want to make sure that this thing lights up. And there we go. So we're going to peel that back again. Gonna get this thing lined up. Just snap it into place, peel it off. And that's all there is to it. Simple project. It took me probably less than 5 minutes to do the entire left side of the car. Now that I've kind of experienced it, I'll probably do that whole side over there in less than 5 minutes. So that's all there is to it. Let me show you before and then after, and then we'll let you get started on yours. All right, so here's before. You see you have that red and the amber with just one dot on it. Then we go to this side, and look at that. Beautiful, beautiful LED strip. Looks fantastic. Now let me show you what they look like when they're turned off. So here's what they look like when they're turned off. Versus that's a huge improvement. So $70 in 10 minutes of your time, and you can make that incredible transformation. Thanks for joining me. Please hit that thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time right here on Dad's Garage.